Welcome back to our channel. In this video I am going to show you HP Envy X360 15 versus Lenovo Yoga 7i16. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video for more this type of content, and watch the video till the end.
Here you will see this is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about display. 15 provided 15.6-inch FHD/OLED optional touch enabled display, and 16 provided 16-inch 2.5K IPS touch enabled display. So 16 is better. Now let's look at the processor options. 15 provided up to Intel Core i7-30 Zen/AMD Ryzen 7 processor, and it is also provided by 16, so both are equal. Now let's look at the graphics. 15 provided integrated or NVIDIA RTX 3050 optional graphics, and 16 provided integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics, so 15 is better. Now let's look at the RAM. 15 provided up to 16 GB DDRS RAM, and 16 provided up to 16 GB LPDDRS RAM, so both are equal. Now let's look at the storage. 15 provided up to 1 TB SSD storage, and it is also provided by 16, so both are equal. Now let's look at the build quality. The build quality of 15 is aluminum chassis, slim and portable, and the build quality of 16 is aluminum chassis, slim and slightly larger, so 15 is better. Now let's look at the battery life. The battery life of 15 is 12 hours depending on the usage, and the battery life of 16 is 14 hours depending on the usage, so 16 is better. Now let's look at the weight. The weight of 15 is 4.1 lbs, 1.86 kg, and the weight of 16 is 4.2 lbs, 1.91 kg. So 15 is better. Now let's look at the keyboard and trackpad. In 15, backlit keyboard, good travel, large trackpad is available. And in 16, it is also available, so both are equal. Now let's look at the ports. In 15, USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, micro SD, headphone jack ports is available. And it is also available on 16. So both are equal. Now let's look at the audio. In 15, Bang & Olufsen speakers, good quality sound is available. And in 16, Dolby Atmos speakers, immersive sound is available. So 16 is better. Now let's look at the software. In 15, Windows 11 HP specific utilities software is available. And it is also available on 16, so both are equal. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.